Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals GPU crash. There's a quick fix for it. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we have Marvel Rivals, so you're going to select on it. So let's pretend this is the same game. And then from here, we're going to right click and then go to Properties. And then from here, you're going to go to the installed files and then click on Browse. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see the game. So it's going to say Marvel Rivals Launcher here. We're going to right click on it and then going to go to Properties. Once you do that, you're going to go to Compatibility. And from here, you're going to click on Run this program compatible mode and leave it at Windows 8. Then you're going to click on Disable Full Screen Optimizations and then run this program as administrator. Click Apply and then click OK. Then once you do that, you're going to close the file. And then again, you're going to right click on Marvel Rivals, go to Properties, and then from here go to Installed Files, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once that is done, it's going to take a little while, and then you're going to exit Steam and then relog in. And then from there, you should be able to run the game properly without any errors or issues. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.